Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. And if you do enjoy this video, make sure to get a thumbs up. On the screen are today's shoutouts. Thank you all so much for your comments and your support. If you also want a shout out, all you have to do is subscribe, turn notifications on, get the first 20 people to comment hashtag Chillification Squad once you've done that. So as you can probably see, we are right over here at Claire's and we will be going fidget shopping and fidget hunting. I'm sure we'll be able to find tons of fidgets and poppets. So yeah, now let's go in. And by the way, you guys, this is my first time ever going to Claire's, so I am extra excited. So we just walked in and I see some earrings. And I gotta say, it's kind of crowded in here. Now let's try to find the toy section. Okay, right here, look at this wall. It looks like there's some Squishmallows. So these octopuses right here, you can invert them and they flip their fidgets. And I love this blue color. Okay, then there's this polka dot one, it's angry. Another blue one, and this is so pretty. Look at it, it's like purple and metallic. Now let's actually choose an octopus to flip to see what it inverts to. You guys, there's so many options. I don't know which one to choose, but let's go with this blue one. So now it's smiling. 3, 2, 1. Okay, you guys, it's dark blue. That actually is a really nice color, and it's frowning though. It's angry, and it has a little moon at the top. That one was pretty cute. Then there's this hot pink one. And it flips to this purple metallic. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm obsessed with this one. It's so aesthetic. And it even has a twin sister. How adorable. Look at this fry Squishmallow, you guys. This is so pretty. It's a rainbow Squishmallow. And it's a fry. Look at it. It's so cute. And then, what is this? There's also a koala version. And look at its hair. It kind of looks like trolls. It's super kind of exotic, and I've never seen something like this before. I'm a really big fan of this. Love this a lot. A bunch of plushies. We already saw the octopuses. These kind of feel like stressful. There's something in it that's making it squishy. You guys, oh my gosh. There's a literal giant Poppet kind of island right here. There's so much stuff. We'll start at the bottom. Look at this ginormous smiley face Poppet. It is so big. I don't even know how to describe this. This is literally like 10 times bigger than my head. Okay, I'm gonna put this on the floor again so you guys can really see how big this is. Look at it. It's so rainbowy and tie-dye. This is literally like legendary. Let's try to pop one. I don't think we can through this plastic. No, we got it. You guys, this is so pretty. It even has these like star eyes on it. It has such pretty colors, like these pink, blue, literally all the pretty colors. And yeah, you guys, this is so unique. I love it a lot. How much is this gonna cost? Where's the price? $30 for this. Oh my gosh. It even has like a holographic top on it. And there's only 2 left. Okay, now you guys look at all of these other poppets right here. Let's see what this one is. It looks like it's some kind of melody. It's like a cartoon character. It's this really unique shape. And yeah, there's even like a mini Poppet in the bow. It's a bright pink and yellow. Super duper pretty. Then there's a Dimple Spinner. There's so many dimples right here. And it spins so well. Look at it. I think they're running out of stock because there's not that many of them. But this one's also super pretty. It's rainbow. Then there's another jumbo heart Poppet. I know it doesn't look that big compared to that ginormous smiley face. But it's still super big. And I love these rainbow colors. It's even called Gigantic Pop. Then there's a bag like this. I haven't seen many of these ever. It's rainbow. And this one is rainbow, but then there's a bunch of like neon hot pink ones. And you guys, look at this star Poppet. It's a literal star, and there's even star pops in it. That is so detailed and unique. How much does this one cost? I love it a lot. $17. I don't know, you guys, comment down below if I should get this, but it's super pretty. Look at all these glitters. It has tiny glitters in it. It's super unique and intricate. And then right here at the top, there is this butterfly Poppet in it, and it even has a butterfly pattern on it. I have never seen a Poppet that has a butterfly pattern on it, and look at it, it's a red butterfly. It's like really pretty lavender color with even butterfly themed on it. Then there's this tie-dye pink one, also super pretty, but this one still looks prettier. And look, I think it like splits in half or something. Oh, $13 for this one Poppet. The prices aren't, they're kind of expensive, but the Poppets are super unique, so it makes sense. And there's this other purse Poppet, and it even comes with a chain, so you can actually put it on like a purse. That is so creative. I think they're all by the same brand, Crossed by Chain, or, oh wait, no. But made pop fashion. I don't know what brand this is, but they all have like that silver holographic packaging on top. Oh, and then there's also like a black purse. This one looks so elegant and fancy. You could actually like wear it to a party. Super cool. Okay, so then right here, there are a bunch of these slinkies at the top. They're super like metallic. And they're rainbow. I love the effect. Kind of shiny. The lighting makes it look super pretty. Kind of gives me like snake vibes for some reason. And then this one is like a different color pattern. This Bulbasaur thing is from Pokemon. Oh, I thought it was a stress ball for a second. So right here on the other side of the section with this like Poppet aisle right here. And then look at this entire section. Look at it. Okay, we'll start at the bottom once again. There's this giant Cupcake Poppet. Imagine if it was scented too. It has really pretty pink, purple, and blue colors. You guys, I love it so much. And it even has stars in it. It's so, so pretty. And yeah, it's so big. You guys, look at this. It's like 5 or 6 of my hands. Then there's this gaming console. It's so detailed. It even has the buttons, which are like dimples, I think. Yeah. And then there's like a plus button. These things are expensive though. They're like over $30. Whoa, whoa, you guys, look behind it. There's another one, and it's like kitty themed. And the pops are hearts with glitters in it. It's pretty nice though, but it's kind of like pale. Like it doesn't have that much color in it. But this one is like really nice, and it has a lot of contrast. Comment down below which one is your favorite, this console or the other one. Imagine getting this on your birthday. That would be such a good gift. Okay, then there are even these watches that are like Poppets. There's this one, it's like rainbow and neon. And it's like a dimple and a Poppet. There's this one, a black and white one, purple and pink and blue, just a blue one. And yeah, you guys, there's so many of them. What is this? You know, with the pea poppers, there's a banana popper. It even has these little faces on it. They're like red. It kind of looks like it's like blood. Okay, then there's another gaming console. This is really matching with this. It's a snapper. Kind of expensive, I guess. Then just this regular star Poppet. It's a little bit plain, but it's still super pretty. They have really unique fidgets here. Oh, is this a lollipop? It's a lollipop Poppet. It even has a little bow on the top. It's like neonish. This is a gumball machine. So this is like a candy Poppet. You guys, look at this. This is a donut. It's a unicorn donut Poppet. Oh my gosh. It even has sprinkles on it. And it has like a yellow horn on it. The thing is, the design is kind of faded off because I think it's hard to print onto the Poppet. But it's super unique. I've never seen anything like that. There's LOL dolls right there. And yeah, I think we already got this section covered. Oh, there's also mini brands right here. Imagine if there's like a mini brand fidget. You guys, I totally missed this earlier, but also look at this. This is a Panda Dimple. This is such a creative panda. Like they actually turned a panda into Dimple. I didn't think it'd be possible, but they managed to do it. And look at it. Its stomach is really big, so I wonder what it's been eating recently. This Dimple is super pretty. It's like really unique. Very creative, and yeah. There's the ones right here, and these ones are much prettier. Look at this one. I agree, those are super pretty. The gold sparkly one. Yeah, this one's like matte. Look at this. It's like this one actually. Like a disco ball. It's super shiny and sparkly. Look how fancy that looks. There's a bunch of adorable backpacks. Look at this one. It's flippy, so it's like a fidget because it's like, you know, flipping. Super pretty. Okay, then there are a lot of these like pens. Maybe there's like a squishy or something on top of it. Let's see. Oh, these Chinese erasers, they're kind of like fidgets because they're like fidget puzzles. What is this? It's pretty squishy. And there's keychains. What is the pair? You guys, it's squishy. It's like a Neato. It's a stress ball. Then there's this one. It's a fox. You guys, these are so cool. They all have little cute faces on it. There's a bunch of them. There's a pink one. I think this one is the prettiest. This like green one. It's like a lime green kind of. Wait, no, this is lime green. What is this? Mint green, yeah. This one is like the squishiest though. Then there are these other cute cats. Look at it, I love it. It has sparkly eyelashes. A bunny. And these mini notebooks. Oh my gosh, let's see. Let's see how this looks. Could you actually write in it? Oh, I don't think it's a real notebook, although I see pages in it. I can't open it. These are kind of squishy. They have really nice texture to them. And then there's these mini backpacks that also are flippy. So pretty. Wait, you guys, are these Squishmallows? Yeah, this is kind of like a Squishmallow. What even is this? It looks like a cinnamon roll. Okay, then right here. These ones are definitely Squishmallows. It's like a fairy cat unicorn. It's a 3-in-1. And it even has little legs at the bottom. Super cute. And then there's another one with this little cloud. Super cute. Guys, look at these cute bows. I just love how everything's so organized here. It's super aesthetic, and yeah. I don't know if there's any fidgets right here, but we definitely found some. I thought those were like maybe monkey wheels or something like that for a second. Wait, is this a dimple? You guys, this might be a dimple. So you can it goes on your phone and then it's a dimple maybe. Okay, you guys, look at the top right here. These were just randomly lying here, but these look like slimes. Oh, I saw these at 5 Below or something. And these are Meow Kiado. Very creative name. And it looks like a slime, seems like just a basic slime, and then a white slime on the top. Then another one, cotton candy themed, and it's panda on top. Super pretty. These are slimes right here. I think these are the only slimes we found here. You guys, look at this wall of Squishmallows. Whoa, let's start here. It's holding a ketchup bottle. It's a raccoon panda thing. Super squishy. It's kind of slow rising too. There's another one. It's holding an icy. There's an owl. No, it's a cat or something. It's also holding an icy. And there's just a big icy. What is in it? It's supposed to pop out. Oh, it's also squishy. It has a cat in it. There's a banana in a raccoon. These are super unique and they're so squishy and comfy. Wait, it comes out. Oh, it's like a 2-in-1. There's a banana peel. Imagine slipping on the banana peel. A sushi. What is this? A cat? A burrito. Oh my gosh, this one is so cute. Comment down below which one you think is the cutest. I think it's definitely the burrito. There's more. This one is a pastry. You guys, I might have to change my mind. This one might be even cuter. Has these little strawberries at the top. Okay, now these are kind of different. These are these narwhals. A cat. Looks like taffy. This other cat and this other cat as well. It's blue and purple. I love the color scheme on it. It's really pastel.
Don't these look like those fidget rings? Those,
oh yeah, that's true. They do look like fidget rings. Because you can picture them like that. And they're stretchy too, making it even better than a fidget ring.
Yeah, see? Look at if you go like that, you can
I agree.
tap on it and everything.
You guys, look how Halloween themed this is. I love these vibes. Halloween, this little cat right here. So overall, I am impressed. You go, Claire's, go girl. They had so many Poppets, so many fidgets, especially these legendary ones. Comment down below which Poppet was your favorite. Mine is probably this smiley face one. It is literally so unique and legendary. I've never seen something like this before. But yeah, make sure to comment down below which fidget toy is your favorite and which Poppet is your favorite. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video. And if you did, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. I love you all so much. And I will see you in my next video.